In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags to your notes using hashtags. Tags are a simple, powerful way to organize your notes so you can find related content fast. Think of them like labels you attach inside a note to group similar topics, projects, or categories. The best part is you don't need to navigate menus or learn a complicated system. You can add tags right where you're already writing. Start by opening the note where you want to add tags. This can be a brand new note or one you've been working on for a while. You're going to add the tag directly in the body of the note, exactly where you type your regular text. You can place it at the top for quick scanning, at the bottom as a tidy summary, or in line next to relevant lines. Wherever it makes the most sense for you is perfectly fine, as long as it's in the body of the note. Now, to create a tag, just type a hashtag symbol, followed by your tag name, with no space between them. For example, you might write hashtag groceries to group shopping lists, #budget to track finance notes, or #meeting notes for all your meeting summaries. If your tag has more than one word, consider using a hyphen, underscore, or camel case to keep it tidy and consistent, like #project roadmap, #weekly review, or #team planning. Keep tags short, easy to remember, and consistent across your notes. Sticking to lowercase or a predictable format helps a lot over time. Avoid special characters beyond letters, numbers, hyphens, or underscores, since many apps don't recognize punctuation in tags. Also, try to pick singular or plural and stick with it. For example, choose either handwrite recipe or recipes, not both. If you're working across multiple topics, you can add several tags in the same note, like handwrite research and type draft, to capture both the theme and the status. And if you change your mind, just edit the text like any other part of the note. Delete the old tag and type a new one. That's all there is to it. By simply typing a hashtag and a clear tag name, you've created a lightweight, flexible way to organize your notes. Over time, tags make it easier to group related ideas, keep track of projects, and maintain a clean structure without folders getting in your way. Keep your tag list focused, reuse the same labels for the same purposes, and you'll build a system that stays useful as your notes grow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the simplicity of hashtag tagging in your notes.